Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA Live Mobile. First, you will want to download the game from your device's app store. Once installed, complete the quick tutorial to grasp the fundamental controls and mechanics. Then, select your favorite NBA team to kick off your experience. You will quickly discover the various game modes, each offering unique challenges and rewards, setting the stage for your basketball adventure. Building a strong team is crucial for success. You can acquire new player cards by opening packs or bidding on players in the auction house. Enhance your players' skills by leveling them up using training points, which boosts their overall ratings. Pay attention to team chemistry. Placing players in their preferred positions can unlock significant bonuses. Also, keep an eye out for special event players, as they often come with unique and powerful abilities. Mastering the controls is key to dominating the court. Use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen for precise player movement. When on offense, tap the shoot button for jump shots, layups, or free throws. To pass the ball, simply swipe across the screen towards your intended teammate. On defense, utilize the dedicated buttons for attempting steals, blocking shots, and grabbing crucial rebounds to regain possession. NBA Live Mobile offers several exciting game modes to keep you engaged. Dive into season mode to play through a full NBA season, earning valuable rewards and advancing your team. Test your skills in head-to-head matches against other real players from around the world. Participate in live events, which are time-limited challenges offering exclusive items and in-game currency. Remember to complete your daily objectives for bonus coins and experience points, helping you progress faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.